Hello, my name is Alice and today I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing for a road trip. So in a few days I'm going on my first ever road trip. I'm going away for 4 nights, 5 days, and I'm driving in my car with the boyfriend isn't sure to drive my car, and we're going to go for a road trip around the Republic of Ireland. So I'm actually going to vlog that and I'll do a video soon. But anyway, today I'm going to show you what I'm packing. I think the benefit of a road trip is you're taking your car so you can actually pack a lot. But I'm trying to sort of pack lightly, although you might not think it. Yes, I'm going to take this suitcase, which is actually a small one, and it used to be one of the ones that you could take on as hand luggage before airlines made all those restrictions a lot tighter for that luggage. Yeah, so most of my stuff is going to be going into this purple suitcase. I'm going to show you what clothes I'm going to be taking, but I'm going to show you what I'm wearing first. I've ironed in, it's ready to go. So this sort of next half length cardigan in beige, and then this quite short dress from Topshop with checker print and daisies, and then because it's quite short I'm going to be wearing these Nike shorts underneath. Yeah, so that's all sorted and I've got my underwear ready, so that's all ready for me to put on in the morning. Bottom wise I'm taking full bottoms because I've got those Nike shorts, and then I'm also going to take these grey Primark sporty leggings. They're a little bit like Gymshark design. Yeah, so grey leggings because we're going to be doing a bit of walking, mountain climbing, cliffs of Moher, that sort of thing. And then also these shorts, which are from Marks and Spencer's, and chino shorts. Then the fourth pair of bottoms are these Bowden cropped jeans, and they've got this zip on the bottom, which I usually just keep down. Yeah, but fairly simple. If it does get a bit chillier, that will be good to wear. Yeah, then tops wise I'm taking this t-shirt which I recently bought from H&M, so just simple stripes. This lacy top from a shop called Warehouse, and then because it is see-through I need to take a vest to go underneath that. Then I'm going to take a sort of sporty Nike vest for some of the more outdoorsy days, and then I'm also going to take another vest which I recently purchased from H&M. It's just like a simple black vest. So it's kind of like mix and match, there's not too many bright patterns and things. Then also 2 of the days we're going to go out for dinner. So the first day, that daisy dress should be okay, or if it's a bit cold I can put on the cropped jeans and one of the nicer tops like this lace top. And then the second night of the holiday we're going to be in Galway and go out to a pub and go out for some food and stuff. So I've got this sort of midi length ASOS sort of bodycon figure hugging dress with a cowl neckline there, so it's a bit drapey, so that's a bit more posh I suppose. This is all the clothing. I don't know, some people would say this is a lot for 4 nights, 5 days, but I think that's fairly okay. Okay, now we're going to move on to this other packing cube. So I bought this one from Matalan as a set of 3 for £8. Yeah, so in here I've got all the other things that are also clothing related. So I've got a sun hat for when I get sunburnt, climbing up mountains and stuff. This belt from Abercrombie & Fitch, a strapless bra, one of these things to keep your ears warm, a sports bra, some shorty pyjamas. I'm just taking these next grey ones. So there's bottoms and a t-shirt, a bralette, a few pairs of pants, and several pairs of ankle socks, a pair of fluffy socks in case I get cold in the evenings, like at the hotel or something, and then also a pair of thin gloves because it can get quite windy in parts of Ireland. And then I'm also taking a bikini. So this is like a high-waisted bikini with removable straps at the top, and the bottoms are like this. I don't know, I've just been very optimistic because it's forecast to be 11 to 15 degrees centigrade. So am I actually going to be jumping into the Northern Irish Sea to go for a swim? I don't know, but I'm going to pack this just in case. So here are all of the items, so like sun hat, bikini, pants, socks, everything is in here. Okay, regarding shoes, I'm going to wear these Converse on the travel day, so the first day, along with that daisy dress. I bought these new laces from eBay. They only cost £2.95 including postage. Yes, I'm pleased with that. I'm going to wear these. I'm also going to take these Merrell walking shoes for sort of like cliffs of Moher and Wicklow Mountains, that sort of thing. But then I suppose like for the dresses and maybe in the daytimes I'm going to be wearing these sandals. They're a little bit dirty, but anyway, there they are. They're just like very basic, they don't take up a lot of space, and they're from Clarks. So I'm going to put the shoes that I'm packing into this Sainsbury's bag and then put them in the bottom of my suitcase. I'm going to be taking a microfiber towel. So I actually got this for my birthday. This side is nice and flowery, and this side I'm not so keen on. It's like geometric triangles. Yeah, so it's a good sort of towel to take because it doesn't take up much space. So this will mostly be used for the beach on the first day of the holiday. If we actually... No, we are going to go to the beach, but it's just whether or not we will go for a swim. But we can sit on this towel anyways. Yeah, and I'm going to pack this into its original bag that it came in. Okay, next we're going to move on to this packing cube. It was also part of the Matalan set. So this has also my retainer, because I had braces when I was younger, so I wear this about 2 or 3 nights a week. Then I have got some earrings in here, in this little pouch, and also a bracelet to wear. Then I've got hair accessories like a scrunchie, hair bubbles, hair clips and things in here. I'm going to take these antiviral wipes. I've got a few cotton pads for removing makeup, and I don't know, they're useful for other things as well. Then I've got my toothpaste just going in this one. I'm taking these Swarovski earrings and keeping them in the box so I don't lose them. I'm also taking my ring box so that when I take this ring off at night time I can put it into this box. I'm taking this like mini shaver thing. So these were all the rage a few years ago. It's like the Venus. So cute, look at that. Yeah, so little thing, and it goes in this little case. I haven't really used this much. Probably only like once or twice. But yeah, I thought I might as well take that. Got a toothbrush. Then I'm taking my phone charger, and then also my charger for my tablet. So I'm going to be reading magazines on my tablet. And then within this travel cube, I'm going to take this bag, which is from Estee Lauder. It's like one of those free things you get. And in here I've got a whole load of plasters. I've got prescription medication and also vitamins. These are vitamins. Then I have one of these cold and flu relief sachets. So they taste absolutely disgusting, but I thought I might as well take it. And then this is like ibuprofen, cough sweets. I don't know, just basically random little things in this little thing. I've got a few earbuds like that. More cough sweets in case anyone gets a cold. Got some earbuds in case the boyfriend decides to start snoring. We've previously been okay, but I'll just take them just in case. Or if it's like noisy outside, if we're staying in the city centre. Then I'm taking some little nail scissors like this, and also a glass nail file, which is really good. So that all zips up into this little pouch, and that goes in. Then I bought this clear plastic toiletries case from Primark recently, and it says Taurus on it, so that's my star sign. It's a bit weird, but it's okay. So it's like clear plastic with glitter and all these stars. I quite like it. It costs £4. I don't want to open it now, but it's basically got all my sort of liquids in. So I've got hair conditioner, shampoo. I've decanted body mouthwash, deodorant, shampoo, hand cream, face wash. Yeah, it's all in there. A little bit hefty, but I'm pleased it fits in. I don't want to open it. Then in this one I've got makeup and hair stuff. So this is a Laura Ashley makeup bag, which came as like a gift thing that I bought for myself in like the boot sales. I bought it full of stuff. But anyway, so this is quite nice. A bit dirty, but... So in this I have got my Frozen Tangle Teaser, and it's like the travel size one. So it has the base in there. Yeah, I'm taking these little makeup brushes and then also a full size eyebrow brush. Then I've got the SPF 25 CeraVe face sun cream, a little eye cream going in there, and also some eye drops. Then my face moisturiser I've decanted into this one. Perfume, which is the My Burberry, like a little travel size one. Base wise I'm taking 3 concealers. So this is an orange one to correct, that's like under eyes, and then that's the Collection 2001, which is good for covering. And then this is some MAC Studio Fix foundation, which has been decanted into a little thing. I also tweezers, taking those. I'm taking this Body Shop lipstick, and that can be used as a blusher and also on the lips, as well as this lip gloss, which is Estee Lauder, like a little travel sized one. Then I'm taking this Benefits brow powder. This is the face powder I'm taking. I'm taking this Kevyn Aucoin mascara, which is a very recent purchase, and then this Benefits What's Up eye sort of sparkly thing to put on your eyes, and then also some eyelash tweezers. And then the last thing, which is going to go into this purple suitcase, is this little bag. I like it because it's from Accessorize, so it says A on it, so it's A for Accessorize, and also it's kind of like A for Alice. So it's got this long strap which is adjustable with these little buckle. Yeah, there's a buckle on the side, you can adjust it, and then I like it because it's got all these different compartments, and it's not too minuscule, you can fit quite a bit into this. So that's the first bag packed. I'm pleased everything fits. It's quite a squeeze, but yeah, that's good. Then I'm going to be taking this Hessian bag filled with other stuff. There's this Nivea SPF 30 spray, and then this Vaseline body oil, maybe if we decide to do massages. So most of the places we're staying at, or 3 of the nights, are going to be in a hotel, and one of them is going to be at an Airbnb. Boyfriend doesn't eat breakfast, so I'm going to take 3 days worth of breakfast, and then we might go out or something the other day. So I've got some, well, I got one of these porridge pots, and this was from Boots. It's a little bit bougie, but it's the Bio and Me nutty, seedy and nutty porridge, and this would be good to sort of just fill up some water in the kettle and add it quick and easy. Then I've got 2 Outflow chocolate milks. I also have like lactose intolerance, so I thought I might as well take food. Although I am aware you can buy food in the Republic of Ireland, I thought it might just be easier if I took my own stuff. And we're not really restricted by space because we've got the car. And then 2 of these vanilla Alpros, and that'll be good for breakfast. And I'm thinking that, along with some multigrain Cheerios, well, like the Tesco brand, got those. Then I also bought these in Boots when I was there, so these crunchy oat topper nibbles. So it's like nuts and oats and seeds and dried fruit in there. And that was in the clearance section, but looks pretty nice. It's like, yeah, I thought that'd be nice for breakfast or maybe just snacking. Oh yeah, and then I'm also going to take some matches. Boyfriend's bringing along a disposable barbecue, so I thought I would take these because I bet he hasn't thought for matches. And then I've got 4 plates, and these are actually from Dunelm Mill, and they cost £1, which is a great deal. So I used to get like the paper plates, but like for picnics, or if we do decide to do barbecue on the beach or something, we've got plates to keep us going. And then these would be good for breakfasts, for like my breakfast. So these are reusable bowls in the same colours, and that was also £1 from Dunelm. So yeah, bought all this. Then I've got a bag for shopping, like a classic or basic canvas sort of bag, just in case we go food shopping, so we've got a bag, don't have to buy a bag. And then I've got 10 bio spoons, and then these ones were from Sainsbury's, and I think these were from Home Bargains, some like wooden cutlery. A lot of them have been used, but I thought I'd take these along just in case. And then I've got 2 lavender scented bin bags, which, well, just in case you need like rubbish bags or something. You know, yeah, 2 bin bags. And then I've got some little snacks and stuff in this packing cube. So I'm going to be taking some Benedict's Bitter Mints. This isn't full, it's like full up to there. Chocolate bar, cereal bar, and also some Polos and some oatcakes. Got some dark chocolate, and then also some tea bags, like herbal tea bags, because I haven't been able to find like the lactose-free pouches of milk. So yeah, I thought I'd take my own tea bags and a few little snacks and stuff in case I get peckish. Yeah, so that's going in there as well. So basically this is like the food bag, but then I've had a problem with my fitting everything into here, so I'm going to be also taking this sort of sheepskin navy fleecy jacket thing. So that's going to go in this bag as well. And then also this denim jacket, which I'll wear if we go out in the evenings. So that's going into that bag as well. So, boyfriend's gonna say this is a lot of stuff, but like, most of this is food. And it's like, it would be impossible to fill that in a little suitcase, wouldn't it? Then my third bag that I'm taking, well, like, not including the bags that are within bags, like I've packed a handbag, but this is like the other bag that's going to be in the car, is going to be this Osprey rucksack, and that'll be good for the walks and mountains and cliffs and things. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking this Berghaus lightweight coat, just simple black lightweight. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking my sat-nav, and this is a TomTom sat-nav, fairly old and it was second-hand, but it's really great. I just need to remember to set it to Republic of Ireland mode rather than UK mode, because otherwise it gets confused and won't work. And then my camera, which I'm filming on now, but this is the bag that it lives in, and I'm going to be taking the whole bag so I can have it around my neck as well. So that's going in there. Then I'm going to take a couple of face masks. I'm not sure what the restrictions are like there. I think probably back to pre-COVID. Anyway, just 2 face masks, and they can go in the top here, along with my car keys, purse, which I've decanted of all the cards and things I do not require on holiday, and pound coins. Yes, I've got 10 euros in there, and then a debit card which will work with euros and overseas. Well, it's not really overseas, but like it will work in the Republic of Ireland. And then my phone is also going to go in here. And then I've got sunglasses. I've got another pair in the car, but these are like Ted Baker ones, which I really like wearing. So they are going in here. And then the only 2 things left to go in the main bit of the rucksack are my tablets. So I'm not going to take a reading book. I've just downloaded a whole load of magazines for free from the library onto my tablet, and I'm going to read this. And then I'm not taking my filer packs or anything like that, so I've got a few post-it notes, pens and a pencil, and all the plans and the road trip itinerary and postcodes and stuff all written down and are in this Polly Pocket. Okay, so there we have it. Here's all the stuff that I'm taking. I've got my rucksack, this suitcase, and then also this bag. So let me know in the comments below, is this too much? Have I overpacked, or have I even underpacked? I don't know, because I know some people will take a lot more. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye!